We're seeing the numbers starting to jump back up. Everyone is beginning to put justifiable hope in the vaccines. And I've said it again and again. The vaccines will end the tragedy of death and the horrific images of the hospital ICUs full. But it will not stop the transmission. And there are still going to be people out there who are not protected because they can't be vaccinated or they won't be vaccinated, or more importantly, they don't have access to the vaccines because of the way we're distributing vaccines in the world, which, by the way, is terribly unjust. The vaccines are a huge part of a long-term solution. And as we get second and third generation vaccines, as we get better at the monitoring, we will get total control over this virus. We will. And there is light at the end of the tunnel. But now is not the time to let up. Now is not the time to relax. It really, really isn't. Or so many of us are going to be back in lockdowns again. So many of us are going to be exactly where we don't want to be.
Think about what you're doing and make sure that you know what your risk is every day and take steps to lower your risk. You have the tools at hand. Follow the local guidance. Keep your physical distance. Wear your mask. Clean your hands. Practice respiratory etiquette. Open your windows. Avoid crowded spaces working from home.